Hello students, so we are doing revision and these are the properties of definite integrals. Okay, so definite integrals, in this we work with limits. Okay, limits are there from a to b. So these are some properties which can be used while solving the questions. Okay, and most of the time the property which is used is we sometimes we use this eighth property. Okay, and mostly we use this fifth one is like it is more times it is used. Okay, 0 to a, then f of a minus x dx. So it's better if you note this down. Okay, and let's solve some questions, okay, based on these properties. Let's solve this definite integral. Okay, it is given -2 to +2 mod of x minus 1 dx. Now here mod sign is there, right? So we'll have two values. Okay, so if we substitute x equal to 1, we'll get this f of x as 0, right? And if you substitute x equal to a number which is greater than 1, you will get a positive number. Okay, and a number which is less than 1, you will get a negative number. Now here mod sign is there, so you have to use that mod of x minus 1 will get a positive value when x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, and you will get a negative when you are removing the mod sign when your x is less than 1. Okay, so on the interval this is given -2 to +2, right? -2 to +2. So here there is -1, here there is 1. So from 1 greater, for this you'll have x minus 1, and for less than 1 to -2 till here you have to find, right? Okay, so for this value we'll have -1. So our limit splits into two values. Now this is our third property, that is a to b limit we split into a to c to a. So we can split it to -2 to 1 and 1 to 2. Okay, so we can write this as -2 to 1, and our limit is minus x minus 1. So our function is minus x minus 1 dx, and then next is 1 to 2 x minus 1 dx. Okay, now we can integrate. So this integrating, you will get minus, you can take inside, so you will get minus x square by 2 plus x, okay, -2 to 1 plus x square by 2 minus x 1 to 2. So b minus a, so 1, first you have to put here 1. So -1 by 2 plus 1 minus -2 square is 4 -2. Okay, then the second term 2 you have to put first, so 4 by 2 -2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, so this is 1 minus half, and this will be -2 minus 2 minus 4, so plus 4. This is 0. 1 minus half is half, minus half into minus is plus half. Okay, so half plus half is 1 plus 4, so the final answer is 5. Okay, let's solve this question. 1 upon 1 plus root 10x. Okay, this question can be solved in two ways. That is, one is you can write this 10x as sine upon cos and then cross multiply and all. Okay, or you can directly convert this 10 to cot and then use it. Okay, I'll solve first using that, converting it to cot. Now here 0 to a, this property we have to use, that is 0 to a, you can write it as f of a minus x. Okay, so this is 0 to pi by 2, 1 upon 1 plus root 10 pi by 2 minus x. Okay, this is our I, this is also our I. So 10 pi by 2 minus x is cot of x, right? Now this cot of x, you can write it as 1 upon 10 of x. So I'll write it here, 1 upon root 10x. Now cross multiplying, you will get here root 10 of x plus 1 upon root 10 of x, which will go in the numerator, dx. Okay, now this is our integral, okay, which we got by using one of the properties, and this is our original integral. So this integral plus this integral, you will get 2i. Okay, adding the two integrals, you will get 1 plus root 10x upon, both of them have the same denominator, so this is 1 plus root 10x dx. Okay, so you'll get here 1, so you have to integrate 1 dx. So this 1 is x upon x. Okay, x 0 to pi by 2, so you'll get pi by 2 minus 0, which is pi by 2, and we have here 2i, right? So this 2 goes here, so we'll get I equal to pi by 4. Okay, now I'll show the another method, that is 10 of x, you have to convert it into sine upon cos. Okay, so I'll write our integral as sine upon cos. Okay, I'll write here directly. After cross multiplying, you will get here, denominator will be root cos x plus root sin x, and the denominator is root cos x, which will go in the numerator. Okay, now applying that property, you will get root of cos pi by 2 minus x upon root of cos pi by 2 minus x plus root of sine pi by 2 minus x. Okay, which you can write it as root of sin x upon root of sin x plus root of cos x dx. Okay, so this is our original integral, and this is we got after using the property. So adding both of these integrals, you will get I equal to 2i equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 root of sin x plus root of cos x upon the same thing, dx. Okay, so 1 dx, and again you will get the same answer. So your I is pi by 4. Okay, so this is question number 3. So here also you can use the same property. Okay, so using the property, this gets converted into sine pi by 2 minus x, that is cos of x. This will be sin of x. I am writing it directly. 1 plus cos x into sin x. So both of them have the same denominator. So adding 1 and 2, you will get 2I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x plus cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus cos x into sin x. Now here all the terms get cancelled. So you will get the 0. Okay. So you have to find integral of 0, which is 0. So your integral answer is 0. Value is 0. Okay. So this type of question can be asked for fill in the blanks also, because it is very short. Okay. So 1 mark question. Let's solve this. So here only one term is there. Okay. So I'll write this term as 10 cube x into 10 square x dx. Okay. So this can be written as, so I am reducing this term. Okay. 10 square x, I can write it as sec square x minus 1. Okay. So when you multiply it inside, you will get 10 cube x into sec square x minus integral 0 to pi by 4 10 cube x dx. Okay. Now we can solve this integral by using t as 10x and dt will be sec square x dx. Similarly, you can split like we did for 10 raised to 5. You can do it for 10 raised to cube, that is 10 raised to 3 also. So 10 raised to 3 can be split into, I'll write here only 10x into 10 square x, right? So that will be 10x into sec square x minus 1 dx. Okay. So this will be pi by 4 10 of x sec square x dx minus into minus plus integral 0 to pi by 4 10 of x dx. Okay. And we have here our term 10 cube x into sec square x dx. Okay. Now you can substitute. Okay. So substituting 10 of x as t, sec square x dx as dt. Okay. So and also you have to change the limits, because here limits are given, you have to change them. So when x is equal to 0, t will be equal to 10 of 0, so 0. When x is equal to pi by 4, t is equal to 10 of pi by 4 is 1. So changing the limits, you will get 0 to 1 t cube dt minus integral 0 to 1 t dt, and this will be, this you can directly write, that is integral of 10x is log 10 of x plus sec of x, right? No, log sec of x plus dx. Okay. So here you have to write limits 0 to pi by 4. So this integrating, you will get t raised to 4 upon 4 0 to 1 minus t square by 2 0 to 1 plus, here I am substituting the limits, so log sec pi by 4 minus log of sec of 0. Okay, so this is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 2, then plus sec of pi by 4, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, this is root 2, log of root 2, and sec of 0, 0, 1, 0, so 1, log 1 is 0, so this is into 2 into 2, 4, 1 minus 1 minus 2, so minus 1 by 4 plus log of root 2. Okay, let's solve this. So 0 to 1, 3x minus 2, this is mod, so this type of question we have already done. Okay, so first you have to find the value of x. So 3x minus 2 equal to 0, so x is 2 by 3. So interval we can split from 0 to 1. Okay, 2 by 3 is 0.36, 0.6. Okay, so this is 0.5, 0.6, so this is 2 by 3. Okay, so we have to split this. Now whenever we have 2 by 3, so mod of 3x minus 2 equal to positive value when x is greater than or equal to 2 by 3. Okay, and minus 3x minus 2 when x is less than 2 by 3. Okay, so accordingly you have to write the limits, that is limits we can split 0 to 2 by 3. We have less minus 3x minus 2 dx, and from 2 by 3 to 1 we have to take 3x minus 2 dx. Okay, now you can integrate, so this becomes minus 3x square by 2 plus 2x 0 to 2 by 3 plus 3x square by 2 minus 2x 2 by 3 to 1. So substituting the limits you will get 2 by 3, so minus 3 by 2 into 4 by 9 plus 2 into 2 by 3. Okay, plus 3 by 2, x square is 1, minus 2 minus 3 by 2 into 4 upon 9 minus 2 into 2 by 3. Okay, so if you take this term and this term gets cancelled, right? So yeah, this is with an no, this is negative, this is also negative, this is positive, they get add up. So you can write this as 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are minus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3, 4 minus 2, 2 by 3. plus 4 minus 1 by 2 again 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3, so minus 2 by 3. Minus into minus plus, so 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3, 4 by 3 minus half, so 8 minus 3 by 6, 5 by 6. Okay.